I'm checking for continuity. I will place this here. This is a healthy, not working also, working, not working, not working. Yeah, cool. I see no obvious issue. The only thing that I see is that here is dirty, also here is dirty, also here is dirty, here, and there. I don't know if I clean those contacts, if I get anything. I will try. And I'm running out of ideas.